What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Cruising the South. And if you're new to the channel, a big welcome. Here Cruising the South, we share with you guys all the awesome places we go with the boat, but also all the services, problems and solutions that we come up with in all of the boats, right? Like this boat right here, nightmare story. I'm gonna make a video about it. Like since purchase, everything went wrong with this boat. Like absolutely everything that could go wrong did. One engine burned up, the other engine almost burned up too, but he kind of did it. The guy caught it before he actually burnt, but it had to be rebuilt and everything. So big story. I'm gonna make a video about that. I know I still owe you guys the remodel of that Nova Duria right there, but we're gonna get to that project soon too. And most important of all, though, I'm working on this project that I've been waiting for a long time now, but I'm ready. I finally got it. Let me show you guys what it is. As you'll be able to see here, the boat at this moment does not have a generator. So I've been taking this thing around, to get 110 power wherever, we're camping out on the boat and stuff, but it just doesn't work good, like it doesn't run my main AC unit. It's not strong enough. So I had to make like this little AC setup, right? Per se, I would have this fan running out of 12 volts, and then I also would have this little portable AC that I'll show you guys later how I did the setup. It's like a little portable AC that I put it on top of my counter, and then I put the exhaust hose into one of the windows, and I made like a little fake glass where the exhaust hose would connect to. But it was only a 1000 BTU AC. It did not do the trick. I needed a real generator, right? And I finally got one, an Onan generator. So I just got to do a custom, exhaust system and what's not for it. But that will be the next video. So if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. And now let's go get to what I was actually going to talk about, right? Which is this Salt Terminator. This is not a sponsored video. It's just like experience of mine. Of course, like see, as you can see, my boat has a washdown setup, right? So like see, I have a shut up. There is my main inlet. Then there's a T right here that goes to my filter. From this filter goes to the engine. But you see how I have a T there? That thing comes from the hose and it comes to here. So that means I can shut off the main water and let just the hose go through. Right now it's not on, but I'm gonna wash it in a second. But with this little thing, you let you feed that through the engine. And prior doing this, if the boat would sit like, let's say, a week or whatever without turning the engines, when I would turn on the engine, it would be like this rusty water coming out because we'd be washing the exhaust elbows, right? And all that rust comes out just for a second, and then it clears out. But since I started using this, the water comes clean, man. Like no more you can clearly tell that this is doing a good job, because it says that it also leaves a little bit behind. So what I actually do is I open the thing that releases the chemical. It's not a chemical, actually, it's all biodegradable. I open the valve that lets a little bit of the chemical, the thing in, and then I close it back off and I let the engine rinse, right? And before I go to shut it off, I put some more of that solution in there and I turn off the engine before it all has gone out. So that stays in the system, and that's like a corrosion prevention. So really good thing. Like I'm really happy with it. Not sponsored, just sharing a good tip. And my next very episode is gonna be the Onan generator that I got. It's a 4000 kilowatts Onan MCCK, which I got an insane deal on it. Please subscribe, you'll see a really good deal. Of course, and it was exactly what I wanted. Something that was a really good machine, but not very well taken care of, right? So I had to just clean it up with new impeller, new oil, and I'm gonna be cranking it up tomorrow. So I'm gonna be making the video really soon. So I'll see you guys in the very next episode, and thank you very much for the view, guys. Bye bye.